Hello, son. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, what's your good name?
My good name is Sisir Sai.
Okay, Mr. Shishir, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, give me your introduction, please.
My name is Sisir Sai. I am from Belauri, One Kanchanpur, in Nepal.
Okay, how old are you?
23 old are.
Okay, 23. Okay, are you single or married?
Single, sir.
Single. Okay, how many members in your family?
5 member in my family.
5 members. Okay, what's your education qualification?
My education qualification is just pass, sir. Pass and 12 pass.
12 pass. Okay, why do you want to go to any Europe country?
I go to work, better money and better future for my family support.
Okay, for to work to earn money for support your
Support the
family.
family.
Okay,
Yes.
do you have any other friends or relatives, anyone working in Europe country?
No, sir.
Okay, do you smoke or drink?
No, sir.
Okay, do you have any medical problem?
No, sir.
Okay, are you ready for doing on-skill jobs in Europe like factory worker, warehouse worker, waitering, city cleaning, or other indoor and outdoors? Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, do you have any experience before?
I experienced warehouse. Experience 2 years
Okay, where do you work before?
in Nepal.
Okay, you have 2 year work experience as a warehouse worker in Nepal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you medical fit and fine?
Fine, sir.
Okay, show me your boss and please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.